new home and fans. We are so excited to be sharing it with all of you. Whether this is your first Sirens game or your 20th, we are so excited to see all of you here for this very special evening. And fans, this team is ready to make some history. They need your help to do it. We are going to need you to get loud and stay loud the entire night. So fans, let's hear it for your New York Sirens!
And here they are, your New York Sirens! Sirens fans, it's time now to sound the sirens for the first time ever. To kick us off in Newark, please give a warm welcome to Mayor Baraka.
Sirens come in.